Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoy this video on knotless braiding. Here's what I'll be using today. I'll be using the Hollywood braid hair, shine and jam, regular jam, extra whole, grease, castor oil, clips, combs, and my braid rack. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on the tutorial. I'm doing triangles instead of boxes, and I'm just making sure that all of the excess hair is tucked away. That's what I clipped up. And right here, I'm just adding some shine and jam to her ends and combing it through to make sure that it's really smooth so it looks like the first one. Yeah, so it's, you know, she's gonna be moving and all that. She is 4 years old. Yeah, but yeah, so I want you to pay close attention when I add the hair. If you know the feed-in process, like how you do feed-in braids on the scalp, it's literally the same thing, but you're doing it for a box plait. Like, you start off the hair without the weave and you just feed in the strands of hair. Okay, this is the type of thing that I can show you better than I can tell you, so I'm gonna let you guys just watch. I'm gonna go slowly and then I'll speed it up.
And all I did was stay still. And hallelujah, you have saved me. So much better your way. And hallelujah, great defender. So
Okay, so this is the finished product. As you can see, it's pretty long for her. So we're gonna curl those ends. We're gonna curl the ends, but let me show you how it looks. There's no knot. It is completely knotless. 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 Ah, knotless. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I've been using this method for a while now, and it's pretty cool for the little girls. As you can see, I'm curling her ends. I got the little perm rods. I put like three braids to one perm rod. And yeah, and I'm gonna dip it off screen, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks. Look at her brother, he loves her. Amir. Yeah, so this is the finished product. Here's a few quick styles you can do.
Pieces and make them beautiful. Every time, every time. This always happens, always happens. Every time, not just one time, not just a few times. Every time, every time.
Okay, guys, it's a wrap. See ya. We're done. We're done. Amora says bye-bye. Yes. So if you guys liked the video and it was helpful to you, if you got something from it, go ahead and leave a comment, or you can go ahead and hit the like button for me. Thank you so much. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Let me know what you want to see. Leave it in the comments below. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that we can become family. Family, yes. Yeah, so to all my subscribers now, thank you. I appreciate you guys. Continue watching. I have more footage for you coming soon. Laters.
You go before I know that you've even gone. my